Hi, in this video we're going to show you how to make your compressed and encrypted files and folders a different color in Windows, so that way it'll make them easier to find. So if we go into my documents here, you can see this one here is a compressed folder by the little icon there, and you can see that this one here barely has that little lock icon that you can see a little better here. So it's kind of hard to tell which are compressed and which are encrypted. Alright, so this is a pretty easy fix. So all you need to do is go to the options in File Explorer, and then on the View tab, just kind of scroll down and look for this option here, Show Encrypted or Compressed NTFS Files in Color. Check the box, we'll apply it, and we'll apply it to all the folders just to make sure. Alright, so now you can see all of these encrypted files here are green, as well as the folders. And if we go out here, we can see the compressed folder is blue, along with any files that are in it. So that's a pretty simple fix. Then it'll also work for individual files as well. Alright, so once again, just go to the three dots here, the ellipses, go to Options, View, check the box for Show Encrypted or Compressed NTFS Files in Color, apply it to all folders just to make sure it's applied everywhere, and that's all there is to it. Alright, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.